I'm joined with Justin from Charpak, and this time last year on exactly the same stand, Twist-Loc was launched here at the show. And Justin, you managed to do an amazing talk all about it. Now, it's not just only launched, it's actually gone into Waitrose. And tell us a little bit about that, because it's been ever so successful, hasn't it?
Well, yeah, incredibly successful. And the weird thing with this is that it's just a packaging change. And do you know what it did for Waitrose sales? 16% sales increase year on year, just through changing it into Twist-Loc, which I think is a pretty amazing result for us, and more especially for Waitrose. We design packaging that's going to sell their product. That's what we're here to do.
Now, 16% is insane. I mean, I like these mini brownie bites a lot,
Very good product.
but 16%,
Yeah.
that is massive.
Yes, and that's not my figures. That's Waitrose telling me sales went up by 16% year on year, and it maintained throughout the year, because obviously this was more or less a year ago it was launched, and it maintained that throughout the year. So Waitrose, obviously, they're delighted as well.